Hello, welcome to the weather update. It's 10 o'clock, December 5th, and yeah, still dealing with this back problem. Unfortunately, it hurts a lot. Um, Keeps me up. I will have to see the doctor if this doesn't go away by tomorrow. I don't know. Health is just having a lot of issues. I can't be doing what I'm doing anymore with all this stuff. But anyway, you can see we're in the soaker now. We got some moderate, even occasionally heavy rain. See, it started around 7, 8 o'clock this evening. Before that, it was just scattered showers. Now we're dealing with the steadier rain. And you can see there the bright whites indicating that steady rain. Looking at your dew points and winds here, and you see we got we got a little gusty wind out there. It's damp out there, 55, dew point 54. Everybody's pretty much got temperatures in the mid-50s and dew points in the 50s as well. It is damp out there. Let's go to the lows last night and see what things got down to. And it looks like it got down to 28 in West Hampton. The rest of us was in the mid-30s, upper 20s as well in the Pine Barrens, New Jersey. We won't be nearly as cold tonight. We'll be staying in the mid-50s, which is where our highs are right now. Let's take a look and see how much rainfall we've gotten so far. We'll look at the rainfall here amounts. And you will see here, not too much yet, but it is raining now, so we're starting to add up. So let's go to the models here and show you what we have, what's going to be happening as we head into the weekend. You'll see we're dealing with this rain. It's going to linger into tomorrow, at least the first half. We get a break in the afternoon. And then hopefully by Thursday and Friday we have some dry days. Don't know if they're going to be clear days, but you can see this high is trying to pill down from eastern Canada, and it's going to stay trying to keep us dry on the weekend just. However, you can see those rain chances kind of get a little closer to us as we get towards Sunday. Let's go look at it. It's very hard to hold my arm up to. And then hold the mouse on this computer, so it's like I can't really even do much. HRRR 0Z run. So you'll see here's the showers. They're going to linger overnight. And you can see lingering into tomorrow, actually. Really doesn't wrap up until even after the steadier rain wraps up probably by late morning, but then still a slight chance of a shower into the afternoon. And then finally we get a little bit of a break here. You can see this high is trying to build down here and give us a little break on Thursday there. All right, and that break would, again, last into Friday perhaps as well. It's kind of uncertain right now what's going to happen with that. Looking at your total accumulated precipitation, you can see we're going to get quite a bit of rain out of this, except 1 to 1.5 inches, maybe a little over that. Looks like more to the east than to the west, as you see there, as it picks up more moisture from the ocean. Looking at the dew points, you'll see we stay damp. South winds staying damp into tomorrow. The dampness, we don't really start seeing the dampness dissipate until we get into Thursday, and that's when we're going to dry out with the northerly winds, dew points dropping into the 30s there. And you can see that we have much lower dew points as we head into Thursday. And then the temperatures will still, however, won't be all that cold. We'll have temperatures generally reaching the mid to upper 40s, as you see right there. And then at night, maybe the question is we'll see some radiational cooling Thursday night. We'll have to see if we actually do see any of that happen or not. As far as the HRRR takes us, if we want to go look at the GFS, we can do that as well. So GFS, see that northerly flow. So we do get into some drier air. Friday especially looks like even drier air comes in. And then that still stays with us on Saturday. And then we can see more of a northeast flow, then becoming more easterly as we head toward Sunday. Looking at your skies. Actually, no, let's not go to the skies yet. Let's go to a few more parameters here, and just like I said, I'm out of it because I haven't slept much. 4 hours. That's what I got. That's what I got last night. All right, we'll go to the skies, I guess. And you'll see here plenty of clouds tomorrow. Try to get out of them on Thursday. Friday, we're gonna again try to maybe break the clouds up a little bit. We'll have to see. It all depends on how much this high gets in. You can see at least we'll get some sun in here. That's the GFS. RGEM It's a little more encouraging. 0ZR gem is out. We don't have much of it in, though, yet. 18Z shows clouds for tomorrow. And then Thursday, you can see the clouds we actually try to get a mostly sunny day in here for Thursday. And then for Friday, you can see we're on the periphery of some clouds, and then they kind of get pushed to the south. This is the R gem model, all right? Now, let's go to the FV3, I guess. We could do the FV3 as well. FV3 not as encouraging. So you could see for Thursday, you start off maybe clear, and then the clouds roll in. And then Friday, we're kind of dealing with, well, this only goes up to 12Z, but you can still see we're kind of dealing with some clouds. Maybe in the afternoon it might clear up. I don't know. It's too early to say right now. We're just trying to, finish up with this rain here. All right. And you'll see here again. Total accumulated precip on this model here is an agreement of that 1 to 1.5 inch amount, I think. But going into the temperatures now, we'll look at the GFS and just look at the regular temperatures as we get into your Friday. So Friday will be mid-40s again. Still going to be above normal despite the northeast winds. Maybe cools off a little more on Saturday. Maybe we get some, maybe, but I still think we're going to get mid-40s. I think Friday's going to be like upper 40s. And then Sunday we could get a little colder. But again, this is a ways out. And again, Sunday we'd be dealing with more clouds probably. We'd be socked in pretty much. So, all right, so we're done with that. But this rain's going to be with us for a while until tomorrow. There's one more thing I want to look at, and I'm going to wrap up this weather update because you have to understand again that I've got a lot of discomfort when I'm trying to hold this mouse. So it looks like there could be a tropical development here. Let's see. So there's an area over here. Warm water is the key. So they're kind of watching this area here. Interestingly enough, it's been quiet since that, but it's saying one last gasp. So I'm wondering if we go to current storms, is this the one? Yeah, this is the one that they have. This is the one I think that they're talking about. It's not going to affect anyone, but still, to see one form this far out at this time of the year in that location is really unusual. Yeah, here's the GFS ensembles. So you can see that. Just another sign of the warmer than normal water temperatures that we got, and it could actually become a hurricane too. So, even though it won't affect anyone, it could be another anomalous storm here. This is what it looks like on the satellite here, and you can see that convection blowing up there already. So, yeah, very unusual to see that for sure that far to the north. So, that's all I have for you tonight. Have a good night. Thank you for watching.